about present truth updates.
I think about options. Not there, does it matter at all? Came with a slate to ride on, or was it already stamped? Just like a mold to be filled in, we observe our environment. Guiding voices, learning the way. Bad voices, do I share them and say? Wise choices, are they aging away? Bad choices, do I own them and pay?
Please choose one of the 3 day path options.
I think about a power that makes its own path a must. Balance and experience, little reason to make a choice. And with this click, I'm seeing it. Free will is clicking to me. Guided voices, learning the way. Bad voices, do I share them and say? Wise choices, are they aging away? Bad choices, do I own them and pay?
Collecting thought and behavior data helps a home govern through day path and present truth updates.
Is free will free? Or is it really a joke? Is free will free? Or is it really a joke? Maybe it's what you choose. You choose to be. What I choose. I choose to be. Do I choose? Choose to be.
In the dark times, choice was seen as good. But we now know ungoverned choices directly lead to chaos.